bust it, bust it, bust it. Is you fucking? 2 shots, fuck it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Is you fucking? 2 shots, fuck it. Throw it like a stripper, damn. Throw it like a stripper.
Guys, thank you guys very much for coming out today, making this possible, making it worth it. Big shout out to Sean, Aiden, and Gerard. I saw him now. You guys did amazing work pulling this together. To everyone that looked after your cars, you guys did a great job. Cars look spectacular, sexy, sexy. So we had 4 categories: best paint job, best build overall, nicest rims, and nicest engine. So those are our 4 categories. I'm gonna call out the vehicle. If you're the owner, just come forward. You guys are winning a nice kit for interior and exterior cleaning kit, proudly given to us from Gerard over there. So we're gonna start off with the nicest paint job. And I don't know who's all gonna love us, who's gonna hate us, but the nicest paint job is gonna go to the Green Scirocco. Can I ask if you can come forward? There we go, female car enthusiasts. Representing. There we go, well done, congratulations. There we go.
Really appreciate it.
There we go, that's the cleanest car here. Awesome. Next we're gonna go with, best paint job. Right, next we're gonna go with the best rim. And I don't know who's gonna, once again, agree with us. But we're gonna give it to the Mark IV over there. Can we have the owner come up? My man, that thing's looking fresh. Fresh. Yeah, can see you really put time and effort into it. Well done. Awesome. Then next, overall, and it's something that, a lot of us only really used to see in Need for Speed and in video games, and there's not a lot of them around anymore. We're gonna give the overall build to this blue Scirocco over here. There we go. Well done. The best one's always unexpected. Please come stand in front here for a photo for us. It's very nice. Awesome. Next we're gonna go with the best engine. And I saw everyone looking in the engine bay since this car got here this morning. As soon as he hit the limiter, it just attracted everyone around it. The 135. Can we have him come forward? Well done. That's for you. Congratulations. There we go, guys. Once again, thank you guys very much for making today possible. Big shout out to Cloud9, Gerard, Tyre, Will, and Tyre in Randburg. Myself, MC Snowflake. We love you all, we appreciate it, and keep up the good work. I'm sure Gerard's going to organize a few more of these in the future with Sean and Aiden. No, you're not going to be around. Stick around because Aiden and Gerard are going to give away the G-Shock watch.
Bust it, is you fucking? 2 shots, fuck it. Throw it like a stripper, damn. Throw it like a stripper, ayy. Throw it like a stripper, damn. Turn around and tip her, ayy.